Did you know that seahorses are the only species where the males give birth? It's true! The male seahorse has a special pouch on his belly where he carries the eggs after the female deposits them. This pouch acts like a womb, providing oxygen and nutrients to the developing embryos. After about 10 days, the male goes into labor, and it's quite a sight. He contracts his pouch, pushing out tiny fully formed baby seahorses. Depending on the species, he can release anywhere from a few dozen to over 1,000 little ones at once. Once they're out, the babies are on their own, drifting away to fend for themselves. It's a wild start to life in the ocean. So, next time you see a seahorse, remember the incredible journey of its birth, one of nature's most unique characteristics.